morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. The weekend is here. It is Saturday morning. I didn't really want to get up this morning. I was really comfy in my bed. But I got up. And here I am talking to all my favorite people. All right. First off, mise en place. Get your shite together. New shirt, one of my favorites. You can get this on the Casual Chef website. Yay! All right, last night I prepared creamy spinach mushroom shrimp shells. It was Pasta Friday. Wow, this is a fun meal. I had fun with it. I added a bunch of stuff. I will make sure I will include that in the notes into the recipe when I add it. Because like 4 times a week, I really don't get to play with the recipes because I'm trying to do the Culinary Expedition recipes as written. Yeah. So yeah, this is a good one. It makes a lot. I have leftovers, not much, but I do. This would be good for 2, 3, possibly 4 people. It's very yummy. You could have fun with this. I just felt it needed something, and more than one thing. But that's me. Because recipes are guidelines. Remember that. Tonight, the Culinary Expedition is jumping to our neighbors to the north, and that is Canada. I looked at several recipes for Canada. This one grabbed my attention last week. Tonight, I'm going to prepare Nova Scotia fish chowder. This is a simple chowder. I mean, super simple chowder. But what grabbed my attention is the summer savory spice blend. Well, it's spice and herbs. Yeah. Which I blended my own. So, let's get to it. Simple hardware tonight. Dutch oven and 1 pan I forgot to get out. And that's a small saucepan. So, I'm using cod. Yes, my $2 cod. There's bacon in the mix. Onion. Potatoes. It can't be a chowder without potatoes. Whole milk. Water. Butter. It calls for some kind of cracker, but I'm going to go ahead and use Ritz. So I'm not going to go out and buy a box of some particular crackers that I probably won't eat afterwards. Here's the summer savory. This is a yummy. Let me read what it's got in it. It has thyme, parsley, savory, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. I used Hungarian and black pepper. So there's that. Of course, we have kosher salt, and I'm going to divert a little bit because this is a chowder. I'm going to use white pepper versus a black pepper. So here's all the goodies for tonight's wonderful chowder. So on this Saturday, please be careful because it's still going to be hot. Apparently not as hot as yesterday, but it's still going to be hot. Stay in the cool, stay in the shade, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.